सुनील कुमार सिंह, डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल कैंट एरिया गया में पीजीटी हिंदी शिक्षक के रूप में कार्यरत हूं। मैं आज पुण्यात्मा नारायण दास ग्रोवर जी के पुण्यतिथि पर कुछ शब्द आपके सम्मुख रखना चाहता हूं। जिंदगी तो होती है अपने दम पर जीने के लिए, जिंदगी तो होती है अपने दम पर जीने के लिए, गैरों के भरोसे पर तो जनाजे उठा करते हैं। नारायण दास ग्रोवर साहब मेरी दृष्टि में एक अनुपम एवं अनुकरणीय महामानव थे। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूं कि मुझे उनके सामने साक्षात्कार देने का अवसर मिला। एक प्रश्न का उत्तर देते ही उनकी पहचान कर लेने की विशेषता का मैं कायल हो गया। उनमें किसी को भी पहचान लेने की अद्भुत विशेषता थी। अपने जीवन के आखिरी दिनों में भी हर क्षण काम करने की उत्कट जिजीविषा उनमें हमेशा बनी रही। मेरी नजर में ग्रोवर साहब महान त्यागी, बड़े तपस्वी तथा अहर्निश सेवामहे का संकल्प लेने वाले कर्मयोगी थे। इसी राह पर चलते हुए उन्होंने डीएवी संस्था को लगभग 200 विद्यालय दिए जो झारखंड तथा बिहार में संचालित हैं। यह 1990 का दौर था जब बिहार में शिक्षा की स्थिति अत्यंत दयनीय थी। उस वक्त ग्रोवर साहब शिक्षा का मसाल लेकर यहाँ आए और निरंतर अपने परिश्रम से करीब 200 विद्यालयों को संचालित करके यहाँ पर शिक्षा का मसाल जला दिया। आज वे हमारे बीच नहीं हैं, पर वे जिस मसाल को जला गए हैं वह हमें अनंत काल तक आलोकित और प्रकाशित करती रहेगी। ऐसे महात्मा को मेरा शत शत नमन। बड़ा वह आदमी जो जिंदगी भर काम करता है, बड़ा वह आदमी जो जिंदगी भर काम करता है, बड़ी वह रूह जो रोए बिना तन से निकलती है, जो रोए बिना तन से निकलती है। धन्यवाद।
The generation which will be part of the DAV in particular, and whoever shall be interested to know about DAV in Bihar, Jharkhand and Assam region particularly shall know the history of Narayan Das Grover. A very good morning to everybody. I, Sanjay Singh, feel tempted to say a few words as a mark of tribute and homage to late Mr. Grover ji. Really, all those people are very fortunate who were associated with ex-regional director Narayan Das Grover. It's not very possible to emulate many of his qualities given the briefness of that time. However, his spectacular personality was enough to fascinate anybody prima facie. Despite being a master of modest capabilities, there were several occasions when we had encounter. Since the very beginning, either it was my first interview, it was my promotion interview, or on other occasions. Once he identified a man, he was able to keep in his mind always. I can say that he was a person blessed with the royal march and divine energy. One could never see him feeling tired. He took his first cup of tea at Patna office, had his breakfast at Gaya DAV Public School Kant area, and had his lunch at Ranchi, and by midnight he again went to his bed at Patna office. This dynamic energy, where could he get? Only he was able to answer, and since he is no longer among us, we can only wonder and revere him for all these things. In the history of DAV, whatever he did, for this very reason, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam and Nepal even included, today lakhs of the children are the part of DAV. They shall feel proud how this lonely man walking from Hisar to Delhi and from Delhi to Haryana, journeying in the third class train, even sometimes meeting the young people at the trains and sending him to different schools. These are some of the rare qualities that coming generation shall be proud of. Before his last breath, he was seen everybody by working ceaselessly, but as is the law of nature, that the soil sometimes grows ungrateful to the careful tiller. So nature also had some planning for him. Though many things were to be done by Groverji, he had big plans, but all those plans were not completed, though he wanted to complete it, and he breathed his last. And he left many of the things to be completed by his followers, his successors. He did create such a situation, he did create such a culture, he did create such a dynamism, he left behind such remarkable footprint that his followers will not find it very easy to complete it. They will have to work incessantly in order to complete those very dreams left by late regional director there. I wish on the occasion of his Smriti Sankalp Divasa that these celebrations shall not be only a formal and lip service, rather it shall be translated into action by those on whose shoulders the future of DAV lies. Thank you.